Gotcha.
Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is May 22nd, 2024. We're going to Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and it finally got dry enough for us to start putting our plants in. We have our broccoli here, some of our broccoli plants. This is the variety that we're growing this year. This is an heirloom variety. I've never grown this particular one before, but I do want to show you something. These are some of our seedlings here. This has actually rooted off of this stem here, and it brought new roots. So we're going to be putting these down deeper. Our holes are here. They're filled with horse manure that's been broken down. Some of these have some blood meal in them, and we did run out of that. Yeah, we normally did put Epsom salt in with them. We have it, I just didn't put it in yet. So you can see our root systems here. This one here, I left it intact with this stem here. What happens is if you plant it exactly like this, the roots are not going to go out. So we break our roots up so that they spread out more into the soil. And this stem here is going to give off more roots, which, as big as our broccoli plants get, we get a lot of wind up here. So I want these to have a deeper root system on them so that it helps sturdy them when the wind blows. Putting the water reservoir around here. Go.
Sorry.
And in here. Breaking these roots up some here. This in here. So the ground still is wet some, but we're calling for more rain coming. So we're just trying to get our stuff in when we can. We have just about all of our tomatoes in. No. Oops. Okay. Sometimes your things grow together and you just have to kind of pull them apart.
Wait, okay.
So that's a really nice root system on that.
Yeah.
Oops, that one has 2 in it. We'll have to separate them out. This one has 2 in it. Okay, they all have 2 in them. So what happened was, when the seeds were planted, afterwards, the watering wand out in the greenhouse accidentally got put on a fan setting, and it put the roots, or it put the seeds down deeper. And some of them weren't coming up. I thought, well, the seeds maybe were bad. So I went back through and I sowed them heavier. And they didn't get pushed down deep this time. and all of them came up. So we wound up with a few extra plants, but that's okay, because we can just separate them.
We need more holes. Doug.
So we wound up with some extra plants, but we're just going to put them in. We like broccoli, we like our cauliflower. It happened with the broccoli, the cauliflower, the Brussels sprouts, and yeah, the cabbage. It happened with that too. So we're just going to put them in, plant them, and enjoy the harvest. So we forgot our Epsom salt in the other holes. I'm sorry. So we put about a handful in these right here. The other ones are going to get top dressed with some Epsom salt. And we're just going to put our plants in here. You can see there's some of the Epsom salt crystals there. And we just use the regular Epsom salt, nothing fancy or anything like that. Somehow an onion got planted in with this one. So we're going to finish getting these in, and then we're going to get them watered. Okay, so today is May 25th, 2024, and it rained the day we put this in, so I didn't get to show you is how we water our vegetables after we transplant them, but you do want to make sure that you definitely water them. We just finished putting this fence up here, and this is the critter fence. It's a second barrier fence. We have the chain link fence up, and then we have this one here up to try and keep the stuff out of the garden from getting to our vegetables here. We're really looking forward to getting to try this new broccoli variety this year that we're growing, and I'm going to be coming back with video updates, so please stay tuned to my channel. Also, you can check out the community tab page on my channel page, and I post different updates on there and different things that are coming up. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!